Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Bet365 using computer. And if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. So guys, I'm on the Bet365 web-based app on Google Chrome, and basically I've logged in. What you want to do is go over to the avatar looking icon on the top right, and then go down to My Account, this one right here, click in there. And from there, go down to verification. So if we want to actually verify our account, we can come down here to the additional verification section. And basically in the previous video, I showed you how to sign up to Bet365 and also get the open account new sign up bonus. So if you want to actually claim that bonus, you need to sign up with 2 forms of additional verification to then receive your £50 in free bets. So we can do that down here. It says additional verification. You must have either a driving license, an ID card, a passport, residency permit, or you can do the postal verification code as well. Thankfully, I have these 2 right here. I have a driving license and I also have my passport that I'm going to use for the verification process. So you come down here, upload identity document, press in there. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to select passport. And then from there, start verification. I consent to Jumio collecting, processing, and sharing all of my personal data. If you're happy with that, click this tick box and then press start. So now it says choose an upload method. And what you need to do is either continue on the mobile app or take a photo using a webcam or actually upload the file of the picture from this device. In this case, I'm using a laptop. So what I've done is I've got my passport, I've taken a photo of it on my phone, and then I've airdropped from the iPhone to the MacBook. And now I'm going to upload the photo from the MacBook. So let's click in here. So I'm going to press choose file and then select this screenshot. So the picture of my passport has uploaded successfully. I'm now going to press complete. And now it says verification, your document has been successfully received. We aim to review your documents within 15 minutes, although during busy periods, this may take longer. From there, I'm going to press continue. And then if you want to actually provide a second piece of additional verification, either your driving license, an ID card, residency permit, or whatever, you can go back into the upload identity document and upload that second piece of additional verification. Also as well, guys, to actually be able to submit a postal verification code, click in here and it says, if we have sent a postal verification code to your address, please enter it below. So what this means is when you actually first created your account, it asked for your home address. And hopefully you've submitted the address correctly because Bet365 will send you a letter. And in that letter, there will be a PVC, a postal verification code. And you can look at that code and type it in this bar right here, press submit, and then that links your Bet365 with your correct address, and that will be an additional form of verification and completely secure and verify your account. So guys, if you've managed to follow all of the steps within this video and submitted your documents successfully, you will receive an email just like this, and it says, "Hi Andrew, thank you for your documentation. We are pleased to inform you that your account is successfully verified in accordance with our verification process." So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.